You're watching World TV. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Click on the subscribe button and the bell beside it. These will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Gbenga Ajumoko, who was critically down with a chronic ailment, is dead. For over 6 months now, the Ijebu Ogun State-born actor was being hospitalized at a hospital in Shagamu, Remo, where he was diagnosed with diabetes and hypertension, which got his two kidneys affected. He solely treated the ailment quietly until things got worse for him, and he was transferred to a private hospital located at Ibadan Garage, Ijebu-Ode, Ogun State. Before his death, he sought help from the public, colleagues, and government to rescue him to stand on his feet again. May his soul rest in peace.